products, a digital label, which we're also thinking of introducing. So all these rules will have to be complied by products no matter where they are produced. So third country producers want to retain the European market, and this is also the strength of the European market, because it's, I think by now we're already the third biggest, but still pretty big. The beauty is that if they want to retain these 450 or 40 million consumers, they need to comply with these rules. So it's not only information that they need to supply to characterize their products, actually the production lines need to conform with the characteristics we're going to require of these products, as a minimum at least, but they can aim higher, of course. Then we have other pieces of legislation which are particular to the EU jurisdiction. So these are location legislation, you may call it like that. And this is largely, for example, waste management legislation. So this legislation is about managing waste in the EU. And industrial production legislation, like the industrial emissions legislation, which is about factories located in the EU. So in this case, indeed, these requirements do not have to be complied as such by third country producers located outside. How we're going to control, this is another linked question, how we're going to control incoming products in compliance or not with these requirements. We are very, very much concerned about this. So it's a key part of the level playing field. Rules not only need to be the same for everybody, they need to actually apply to everybody in reality. So not only we have a new market surveillance regulation already up and running, we have specific risk assessment, I would call it like that, rules for market surveillance for eco design. So we will